Inconsistent behavior between Dict.Values and Dict.Keys equality in Python 3. X and Python 2.7. I have found that comparing the results of the keys and values methods of the Dict built-in to themselves results in inconsistent results. Running the above code in Python 2.7 will return true for both calls, leading me to believe that there is some implementation detail in Python 3's Dict_values that causes this strange behavior. Is there a reason for this behavior, or have I stumbled upon some obscure bug?
The short answer: class Dict_values doesn't have a _eq_ method implemented, but class Dict_keys does. Therefore, the D.Values is equals comparison evaluates to false. The longer answer of why it wasn't implemented is a different one and can be seen with a little more digging on the documentation of Dict_view objects. This part seems especially relevant, emphasis mine. Keys views are set-like since their entries are unique and hashable. If all values are hashable, so that key-value pairs are unique and hashable, then the items view is also set-like. Values views are not treated as set-like since the entries are generally not unique. For set-like views, all of the operations defined for the abstract basic class collections.abc.set are available, for example, == less than or. Since keys must be unique, it makes sense that they are set-like and are supported with the class operations of collections.set. Values are not set-like due to non-uniqueness. In Python 2.7, D.Keys and D.Values both return a list per the documentation, so you'll get ordinary list comparison if you try ==. Of course, since the lists aren't guaranteed to be in any particular order, the comparison doesn't actually do what you want, but you can perform the comparison if you really want to. If you used viewKeys and viewValues as mentioned in the documentation of Dict_view objects in Python 2.7, then you can expect similar behavior to Python 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.